10 smart appliances and kitchen gadgets for every home. Imagine stepping into a kitchen where every task feels effortless, and each gadget adds a touch of magic to your cooking experience. From chopping vegetables to whipping up pancake batter, smart kitchen appliances can transform your daily routine into a seamless, enjoyable process. In a world where innovation meets convenience, these tools are designed to make your life easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who simply loves experimenting with new recipes, the right kitchen gadgets can elevate your culinary game. From multifunctional choppers to sleek dinnerware sets, these gadgets aren't just practical, they're game changers that combine style and functionality. Lineroso 4-in-1 Onion/Vegetable Chopper. The Lineroso 4-in-1 Onion/Vegetable Chopper is your ultimate kitchen assistant, designed to save you time and effort. This compact tool combines 4 functions into one: slicing, dicing, chopping, and mincing. Whether you're prepping onions, carrots, or peppers, this chopper handles the task with precision and ease. Its sharp, durable stainless steel blades cut through vegetables effortlessly, while the non-slip base ensures stability during use. The design also includes a container to collect your chopped ingredients, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Say goodbye to teary eyes while chopping onions and hello to a hassle-free cooking experience. With the Lineroso chopper, meal prep becomes quicker, cleaner, and more efficient, making it an indispensable tool for any kitchen. Pot and cleaver knife. The pot and cleaver knife is a must-have for anyone who values precision and versatility in their kitchen tools. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this cleaver features an ultra-sharp blade that effortlessly handles chopping, slicing, and dicing. Whether you're tackling tough cuts of meat or delicate herbs, this knife provides unparalleled performance. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Its elegant design makes it not only a functional tool but also a stylish addition to your kitchen arsenal. With the pot and cleaver knife, you can achieve professional-grade results with every slice, transforming your cooking experience into a culinary masterpiece. Banya 7-in-1 Jar Opener. The Banya 7-in-1 Jar Opener is a simple yet ingenious gadget that takes the frustration out of opening stubborn jars and bottles. This tool is designed to handle a variety of lids, from jar caps to soda bottles, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The ergonomic, non-slip grip ensures ease of use, even for those with limited hand strength. Its compact size allows for easy storage, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're tackling a pickle jar or a tightly sealed soda bottle, the Banya Jar Opener will save you time and effort, proving that small gadgets can make a big difference. Imbue Ice Cube Tray. The Imbue Ice Cube Tray brings a touch of convenience and innovation to your beverage preparation. With its unique design, this tray allows you to create perfectly shaped ice cubes that pop out effortlessly, thanks to its flexible silicone material. This tray also comes with a lid to prevent spills and keep your freezer organized. Whether you're hosting a party or simply enjoying a refreshing drink at home, the Imbue Ice Cube Tray ensures that your beverages are always perfectly chilled. Say goodbye to broken ice trays and hello to a smarter, more efficient way to enjoy your drinks. Schoeksel 20 ounces Pancake Batter Dispenser. The Schoeksel Pancake Batter Dispenser is a game-changer for anyone who loves making pancakes, waffles, or muffins. With its 20 ounces capacity and precision spout, this dispenser ensures that you can pour batter evenly without the mess. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while the durable material ensures long-lasting use. Whether you're making breakfast for your family or hosting a brunch, this dispenser allows you to create perfectly shaped pancakes every time. It's not just a gadget, it's your ticket to a stress-free morning routine. Ruck Multi 10-in-1 Large Vegetable and Food Chopper. The Ruck Multi 10-in-1 Chopper is a powerhouse of efficiency, combining 10 different functions into one compact tool. From slicing and dicing to grating and spiralizing, this chopper handles it all with ease. Its sharp blades and sturdy design make it a reliable companion for any kitchen task. The included container keeps your workspace clean, while the interchangeable blades offer versatility for all your culinary needs. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or preparing a feast, the Ruck Chopper saves time and effort, making it a must-have for busy home cooks. Rosius Electric Wine Opener. The Rosius Electric Wine Opener takes the hassle out of uncorking your favorite bottle of wine. With the push of a button, this sleek gadget effortlessly removes corks, allowing you to enjoy your wine without the struggle. Its rechargeable design and stylish appearance make it a perfect addition to your kitchen or bar. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening, the Roscius Wine Opener adds a touch of sophistication and convenience to your wine drinking experience. Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer. The Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer is a powerhouse appliance that makes baking and cooking easier than ever. With multiple speed settings and a powerful motor, this mixer handles everything from kneading dough to whipping cream with ease. Its compact design and versatile attachments make it perfect for small kitchens, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, this stand mixer is your ultimate partner for creating delicious treats. This mini mixer has 6 different speed options, suitable for mixing bread dough, thick batters, meringues, and whipping cake cream, plus lower speeds for stirring and finessing your most delicate concoctions, which could suit perfectly different ingredients. Chassis 4 stronger suckers can keep the machine steady and avoid moving or bouncing during operation. There is a gasket at the top joint to prevent food residue from splashing into the joint to make cleaning more convenient. Yasukata Lat Bottom Woks and Stir Fry Pans. Yasukata Large Blue Carbon Steel Wok Flat Bottom Pan is pre-seasoned at high temperatures over 600 F using special techniques. It takes just a few minutes to fully season this traditional Japanese pan with oil and start cooking right away. Our outdoor wok is conveniently designed for use as a camping wok, wok BBQ, or grill wok. This traditional hand-hammered carbon steel POW wok is extra sturdy. Each wok flat bottom pan is made of high-quality carbon steel using traditional production technology. This is the best wok carbon steel cookware for cooking delicious, healthy meals, as it retains the juice and flavor within ingredients. Perfect for pan frying, braising, and deep frying. The long handle of our carbon steel wok pan is tightly fixed through welding. Also, it combines optimal diameter and shape, a special non-sliding finish, well-dried wood. Vencaso Bonita Blue Dinnerware Set. The Vencaso Bonita Blue Dinnerware Set adds a touch of elegance and style to your dining table. With its vibrant blue design and durable ceramic construction, this set is perfect for both everyday use and special occasions. Each piece is microwave and dishwasher safe, offering convenience without compromising on quality. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a family meal, this dinnerware set enhances your dining experience with its stunning appearance and practicality. Made from premium ceramic, our stoneware dinner set is durable and safe for daily use, while its easy-to-clean nature adds convenience to your life. It's dishwasher and microwave safe for added convenience. This dinnerware sets for 4 collection is perfect for gatherings and makes an ideal gift choice for various holidays and occasions. Whether it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, or a gesture of congratulations for a new home, it's guaranteed to bring unexpected delight. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.